Back Bates, Crypto Leverage Trading Group, 1 p.m. Wednesday, Eastern Standard Time here. Hope you're doing well. We've been covering some altcoins this morning. Please check out the YouTube channel. We did some videos on VeChain, Link, Moon River today, and now we're doing Axie Infinity. Obviously, Axie has been a star of the NFT gaming surge in end of Q3, Q4 2021. And now we are, I want to say, like, I mean, a lot of news has come out with Axie in terms of their plan and development plan for 2022. So they've kind of put some things out there of what they have coming and what they have in store. So it's kind of, you got some really, really neat stuff on the one hand, positive stuff in terms of what they're going to do with the platform and their ecosystem. And on the other hand, you got technicals, right? And this is how you know the technicals lead the way. Okay. We're on the 1 hour here on Axie, and it is dumping like nobody's business. Okay. It's kind of out of nowhere a little bit. A lot of people are shocked if you're on Twitter because, you know, the timing of this, we'll have to wait and look at the block in terms of Binance. Coinbase also has access. And the active addresses in terms of what's happening here. Because the timing's just weird. That's all I really can say is because past 22 days, really, all the info is coming out with what they have planned and what they have stored and how they're evolving and developing their whole ecosystem. You would think that it would, after being in a continuation pattern, clearly, okay, you can see that here. You can see it's already down well below 20, well into the accumulation zone at 88. Okay, now it's approaching an RSI of 10 on the 1 hour. But that's all indicative of this candlestick here falling below the 21 day. Remember, the 21 day, we're on the 1 hour chart, but the 21 is 93.25. The 7 day is 91. Okay. And so now we're here at 88. So we broke through. You can see it right here. It crossed right here. But let's open this up. That's a flash, dump, okay? Like more or less within a 1 hour time frame. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. That's usually where we really want to make a lot of our entry with our spot or leverage decisions. We're not really below 30 yet, okay? So you're in that mid-range. 2 hour is probably cutting it in half, okay? So you're right. So you really, if you're an aggressive leverage trader, you already entered your sell down, okay? And you're shorting Axie today, okay? As soon as it crossed right here, okay? Now on the 4 hour, you've got to remember this changes. On the 4 hour stick, your 21 day and 7 day are a little higher, okay? So you want to factor that in. A little lower on the 1 hour, a little higher on the 4 hour. So you want to look, the 21 day is 94. We crossed through that. 7 day is 94, a little lower 94. Obviously, we cross through that. And then that's where you're getting the dump. So understand the methodology that I'm trying to teach you, okay? Especially if you're in our Discord and you're going to come in the leverage course this year. You're going to do some coaching and mentoring, trading group with me this year. You're going to hear me talk about it a lot, okay? Using the 21-day moving average and the 7-day moving average on your chart to mitigate your risk management, okay? Because almost 90% of the time, when an asset falls below its 21 and 7 day, it continues to move further until it falls into that accumulation zone on its relative strength index chart to where people begin to reaccumulate it and start another run, okay? The converse of that happens when we're above the 70 range. As you can see here, got to 70, right? Got to 70, fell down. Got to 70, fell down, okay? Got to 30, got below 30 down here, went up, okay? So I'm looking at that 30 level here on the 4 hour because that may be falling below that on the 4 hour. We may have seen, you also can look at the wick here, okay, we're experiencing here within the 4 hour stick. That tells you that there has been some buying down here at 88, okay? But I want to watch that 4 hour stick. And if I get to 30, below 30, that's when I may look for a reversal and a buy up, okay, for Axie Infinity. All right, mates. Hope everybody